it's raining. It suddenly got sunny today. Wow, I love this weather. Hi. So fun. Hi everyone. So I'm currently walking, going to the train station, going to my work, and it's raining. It's been raining for like every day now for this week, and I also heard it's gonna rain a lot also next week. It's crazy. Not heavy rain though. It's just okay. Well, I'll see you later. Have a good day. It's not raining anymore. Wow. I think it's just raining in Coquitlam, not in Burnaby. It's already blooming. Look at those beautiful flowers. It's crazy. It suddenly got sunny today. Earlier this morning it was like so rainy. Now it's sunny. Wow, I love this weather. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. I'm with James now, and we're going to have our early dinner. It is going to be his first meal of the day.
And last.
And last. And I just got off from work. Look amazing. Wow. Wow. Hello. I got my Sephora package. Hi. I'm eating banana. This is my dinner. Banana and eggs. Look at this, guys. Look at my beautiful fairy lights. What's so cool about this fairy lights is that it also has like a remote control. You can like control it with, if you want like this twinkling lights, or you want like a serious one, or just like a steady one. It's cool. So cool. You can also decrease the light and also increase it. It's crazy. It was like 3 years ago, or like 4 to 5 years ago, when I had the fairy lights. It's just one, like just steady. Then just turn it off or on. Not much function. It's crazy how technology has become right now, which is also scary. So fun.